In the ancient city of Somgarh, a strange problem haunted the kingdom. Every year, on the first full moon of spring, a mysterious thief would rob the royal treasury, and yet not a single guard ever saw him. The king, frustrated and humiliated, offered a great reward to anyone who could catch the thief. Two men stepped forward to take the challenge: Aryan, a young scholar known for his intelligence, and Varun, a famous warrior known for his strength. The king, eager to end the robberies, allowed both men to try their methods. Varun believed in power. He doubled the number of guards, locked the treasury with heavy chains, and stood outside the vault himself, armed and ready. "No thief can escape my eyes," he boasted. The full moon night arrived and the city waited anxiously. But the next morning, when the guards unlocked the vault, it was empty. The king was furious. "You had all the guards, all the weapons. How did the thief escape?" Varun had no answer. His plan had failed. Aryan, instead of focusing on guards and locks, spent days studying the treasury itself. He measured the walls, examined the floor, and asked one strange question: where does all the stolen gold end up? No one had ever thought about that. The gold never appeared in markets, and no thief was ever caught spending it. On the night of the next full moon, Aryan did something unusual. He ordered all the guards to leave the treasury unguarded. The ministers were shocked. "Are you mad? The thief will take everything." But Aryan simply smiled. "That's exactly what I want." That night, as the moon shone, Aryan and the king hid inside the vault, not outside. Hours passed, and then suddenly the floor moved. A hidden trapdoor slid open, revealing a dark tunnel below. From the shadows, a hooded figure emerged, swiftly collecting the gold. But before he could escape, Aryan stepped forward and lit a torch. The thief was not a stranger. It was the king's own chief architect. The truth was finally revealed. Years ago, when the architect built the treasury, he had secretly created an underground tunnel leading directly to it. No guard ever saw the thief because he never entered from the door. He came from beneath the city itself. The king, impressed by Aryan's intelligence, made him the royal advisor. "Strength can guard the door, but only wisdom can see the unseen," he declared. Varun, though defeated, learned an important lesson. Not all battles are won with swords. Some require only the power of thought. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Aspire Times English. Also, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you all for your support.